Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following simultaneous equation. So I'm going to have this as my equation 1. And this as my equation 2. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the elimination method to solve it. I saw that I'm going to make my variable x, the coefficient, the same. So then you will see Mr. Tam multiplying throughout equation 1 by 3 and multiplying throughout all the terms in equation 2 by 2, so that you can see that 3 times 2, the following equation: 6x minus 9y equals to 21. That's my equation 3. 6x minus 4y equals to 16 as equation 4. And from here, then it's pretty obvious that how do I get or eliminate the variable x? What do I do to have this positive 6x and this positive 6x equals to 0? Do I plus or do I minus them? Yes, I'm going to minus this. So you will then see Mr. Tan having equation 3 minusing equation 4. Okay, 6x minus 6x will be equals to 0. Eliminated already. I will have a negative 9y minusing negative 4y. Okay, so this is important. When we have a negative, do put bracket. The other side will be 21 minusing my 16. And after which, negative 9y minusing my negative 4y. This one will actually give me a value of negative 5y. On the other side, this will give me 5, and therefore y is equals to 5 divided by negative 5. I've gotten y equals to negative 1. Next, all we have to do is to substitute this value of y into any of these 4 equations. So I'm going to substitute this y equals to negative 1 into equation 1. Okay, so substitute y equals to negative 1 into equation 1. So my equation 1 is 2x minus 3y equals to 7. And now that I know my y is negative 1, I'm going to substitute that in. That means I no longer write y anymore. I'm going to write it as negative 1. So I will have 2x negative 3 times negative 1. This will give me a positive 3. So my 2x will be equals to 7. Minusing, yes, minusing 3, because I minusing 3 on both sides, yeah, so that this one will be equals to 0. Okay, so that's what's actually happening. So my 2x will be equals to 4 and x will be equals to, yep, 4 divided by 2, and I got my value of x. The last thing to do actually is then to make sure that the answer is correct. How? Well, now that I know my value of x and y, right? We just need to substitute back into any of the equation. So I'm going to substitute back into equation 2 to do a quick check. Equation 2 is 3x minus 2y. And my x is 2. Y is negative 1. So I'm going to write x as 3 times 2, x as 2, my y as negative 1. And does this give me back 8? It does. And therefore, my answers are correct. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.